Hello and welcome to Chalk Talk Tutorials. In this video, we'll be discussing about 7 impressive ways vitamin C benefits your body. Vitamin C is an essential vitamin, meaning your body can't produce it. Yet it has many roles and has been linked to impressive health benefits. It's water soluble and found in many fruits and vegetables including oranges, strawberries, kiwi fruits, bell peppers, broccoli, kale and spinach. The daily recommended intake for vitamin C is 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. While it's commonly advised to get your vitamin C intake from foods, many people turn to supplements to meet their needs. Here are 7 scientifically proven benefits of taking a vitamin C supplement. Number 1. It may reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can strengthen your body's natural defenses. Antioxidants are molecules that boost the immune system. They do so by protecting cells from harmful molecules called free radicals. When free radicals accumulate, they can promote a state known as oxidative stress, which has been linked to many chronic diseases. Studies show that consuming more vitamin C can increase your blood antioxidant levels by up to 30%, and this helps the body's natural defenses fight inflammation. Number 2. It may help manage high blood pressure. Approximately 1/3 of American adults have high blood pressure. High blood pressure puts you at a risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death globally. Studies have shown that vitamin C may help lower blood pressure in both those with and without high blood pressure. An animal study found that taking a vitamin C supplement helped relax the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart, which helped reduce blood pressure levels. Number 3. Vitamin C intake may lower your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of deaths worldwide. Many factors increase the risk of heart disease, including high blood pressure, high triglyceride levels or bad cholesterol levels, and low levels of good cholesterol. Vitamin C may help reduce these risk factors, which may reduce heart disease risk. After several studies, in short, it seems that taking or consuming at least 500 mg of vitamin C daily may reduce the risk of heart disease. However, if you already consume a vitamin C rich diet, then supplements may not provide additional heart health benefits. Number 4. It may reduce blood uric acid levels and help prevent gout attacks. Gout is a type of arthritis that affects approximately 4% of American adults. It's incredibly painful and involves inflammation of the joints, especially those of big toes. People with gout experience swelling and sudden severe attacks of pain. Gout symptoms appear when there is too much uric acid in the blood. Uric acid is a waste product produced by the body. At high levels, it may crystallize and deposit in the joints. Interestingly, several studies have shown that vitamin C may help reduce uric acid in the blood and as a result protect against gout attacks. Number 5. It helps prevent iron deficiency. Iron is an important nutrient that has a variety of functions in the body. It's essential for making red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. Vitamin C supplements can help improve the absorption of iron from the diet. Vitamin C assists in converting iron that is poorly absorbed, such as plant-based sources of iron, into a form that is easier to absorb. This is especially useful for people on a meat-free diet, as meat is a major source of iron. In fact, simply consuming 100 mg of vitamin C may improve iron absorption by 67%. As a result, vitamin C may help reduce the risk of anemia among people prone to iron deficiency. In one study, 65 children with mild iron deficiency anemia were given a vitamin C supplement. Researchers found that the supplement alone helped control their anemia. If you have low iron levels, consuming more vitamin C rich foods or taking a vitamin C supplement may help improve your blood iron levels. At last but not the least, number 7. It protects your memory and thinking as you age. Dementia is a broad term used to describe symptoms of poor thinking and memory. It affects over 35 million people worldwide and typically occurs among older adults. Studies suggest that oxidative stress and inflammation near the brain, spine, and nerves can increase the risk of dementia. Vitamin C is a strong antioxidant. Low levels of this vitamin may have been linked to an impaired ability to think and remember. Moreover, several studies have shown that people with dementia may have lower blood levels of vitamin C. Therefore, high vitamin C intake from food or supplements has been shown to have a protective effect on thinking and memory as you age. Vitamin C supplements may aid against conditions like dementia if you don't get enough vitamin C from your diet. However, additional human studies are needed to understand the effects of vitamin C supplements on nervous system health. Okay, the conclusion is that vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that must be obtained from the diet or supplements. It has been linked to many impressive health benefits such as boosting antioxidant levels, lowering blood pressure, protecting against gout attacks, improving iron absorption, boosting immunity, and reducing heart disease and dementia risk. Overall, vitamin C supplements are a great and simple way to boost your vitamin C intake if you struggle to get enough from your diet. If you found this video useful, then press the like button and share this video on different social media platforms to spread the knowledge. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thanks for watching this video.